Parker's room. Yeah. Boosie badass. This bathroom here, this is a half a bath. We have 3.5 baths. This Ron's room. See, Ron neat. That boy make up his bed, boy. He neat freak. Ron. Yeah, look at him, got his shit hanging up. Look, boy, that boy like he gonna be here forever. One of the bathrooms. Old father Ron. Now let's go to my room. This is my room right here. You walk in the closet. It's the third bath. This is my room. Here. My balcony. This balcony, it wraps around. It go around the whole thing. See here, go by parking room. Pass by brother Ron there. And we're wrapping it back around to the living room. Yes, sir. Penthouse, 46th floor, overlooking the Pacific. We got some cargo ships out there. They about to go to the canal, the Panama Canal. I'm gonna go there again tomorrow.
Before, it's a P. It's PB.
Is it Pete?
PB. No, you can't sit on that side.
Look at my man. That swag on him be tough, boy. Y'all can't fuck with it. Penthouse, baby. That's where we at right there. Yeah, they really want to show y'all. Brother Dale, what is hitting for?
It's relaxing, sir.
Chilling. Parker.
I'm fucked up.
He ain't lying. Oh yeah. Brother Ron, what it do? Chilling. Brother Burts in the building. You know what I'm talking about?
Elevator up.
Oh shit, we gotta go downstairs. You done forgot what she said?
She said go elevator, and then we gotta go up. It's like 6 minutes.
There he is, bling bling, bling bling. Hey,
Hey, my friend!
hey, tell us something about Panama.
Es que estamos along. She's a beautiful rock star, my friend is. Goodbye.
There it is.
Big money.
Yes, sir. You heard him. It's going down like elevators and escalators, baby.
Already.
Y'all stay tuned. YouTube. Hey, we're on this club hopping. We're on the way to the next one. Yes, sir. Going down like elevators and escalators, baby. We got John King with us. Yes, sir. John King, what's the deal?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Run. Yes, sir.
Oh, here, filming, baby. This is where the Tatianis be at, baby.
Oh, yeah? Oh, Obama.
Obama. You hear that?
I hear it. That's the next spot, huh? You go ahead and hit that curve.
Welcome, Panama, my friend.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Going to the next spot. I don't know if y'all can see me. But yeah, the first spot was, they lost their lights, so we didn't go to the first club. Went straight to the second one. Then we're on the way to the third one. Let's go.
Dale, Parker, and Chris.
Parker probably themselves.
Other three.
Hey, we trying to get to the next spot. But goddamn, look at this sucker here. Look at this sucker here. Look at this shit. Somebody come get, hey, Thomas. Thomas. Hey, Jaquan. Come get your brother. What the hell wrong with this dude? It's time to go, y'all. You already asked me. Huh? What? Oh, sure was.